Make a great choice today with the 2018 Tahoe. Tahoe has been the best-selling sports utility vehicle, accounting annually for more than 25% of all full-size SUV registrations in the United States, and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, heated seats, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, remote vehicle start, universal garage door opener, electronic stability control, security system. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.